are we doing?
We're here to talk about these new tips, apparently.
Oh, there's new tips.
There's new tips.
There's new tips.
There's new press-on tips.
Yes.
Fully designed, made by us. Custom made by us.
Did we sit here and paint all of them?
Yes.
Yeah, like for thousands
of them.
thousands
Yes.
Hours.
It was a long week, actually. But no, these are the new tips for Black Friday, and they're more of the winter holiday, celebrate, let's party, let's get drunk.
So we have, what do we have? We have
Drinking. That's all
drinking.
I remember.
Okay. We haven't been drinking, I promise. Yet.
Yet.
Not today, anyways.
It's coming. It's coming. It's been a long day. But this is the last video of the day. We're going to make it through, guys. Don't worry. But we have the new tips, and I am very excited about them.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
They are.
I'm excited. I think I've just seen them once. So
Once?
I mean,
We do a lot of that around here. We see things once, and then we forget.
maybe twice.
I think, well, let's check them out. Because we have no glasses on, so we can't see any of them. Okay, which one's your favorite, though?
Okay, see, I thought I knew which one my favorite was, but now I'm looking at them all over again, and I'm like, I can't pick. All right, I'm gonna pick 3. These are my 3 favorites.
That's half of them. You don't get to pick half. Okay, then I pick these 2.
This
Oh, that's sad. That's so sad. They're beautiful, though.
No. Okay, hold on. This one.
You can't change because you feel bad for the tips.
I'm not changing. I'm combining. Because if we look at these, if we
okay.
combine some of these colors here,
I'm gonna let you.
combine with, see, you combine those together.
Oh, you can combine it like that, and then just clip the little edges off, and you got the same shape.
Yeah. But see, that's what I love about our tips, is that you can mix and match, you can customize your own looks, even though there's like a million different, maybe not a million, but different designs in each kit, you can customize them and
100%. Like, there is mixing and matching, and then like literally you can just, okay, I'm tired of the gold chrome, I'm gonna paint it. So it it's endless. Like, don't throw away your tips. You all throwing away your tips, and I'm like, you gotta reuse them. But
stop throwing away your money. Seriously.
I mean, go ahead.
I
Just
mean-
buy some more.
I mean,
It's okay. We're okay with that. That's how we get our raises around here.
Wait, buy some more.
Buy some more. Buy them all. I really do think these 2 are my favorites. So, and I mean, what is the name of this one? Because it's hilarious. Weird Hot Tortoise.
I mean, that sounds about right.
Weird.
It's a weird
hot tortoise. But these, like, sometimes when you guys are looking at them in the front thing, you don't actually see all the designs. This. That's
Okay, I haven't seen the rest of them. I just saw those. So
no, check it out. Check it out. It's got the tortoise fringe, and these colors are so perfect for winter, fall, winter. It don't matter. Wear them whenever, but
that design, the tortoise, is so trendy right now.
right?
Oh.
Yeah, and they got the combo. I mean, yeah, just too good. And you mix and match them, and you have fun with them. And have I ever told you about my experience with first press-ons ever?
No.
If you've heard any of my lives, I've told this story. But it was my 2nd year anniversary, so I was 19, and I'm like, I'm gonna get all fancy and dolled up. Don't do that no more. And I put press-ons, and that's back in the day. Remember, they were like French, like it was in a horrible French, like the worst French possible. And I put them on, and I glued them on, and they were so ugly and so bendy and so awful. So I'm like, I'm gonna take them off.
You thought you looked cute, though. Oh,
no, I knew I did not look cute. Okay.
They were all going like this.
So I decided to take them off, but I didn't have polish remover. So Stan had DMSO.
I don't even know what that is.
Do you know what DM? If anyone knows, put it in the comments. DMSO smells horrible, but it will eat the stuff.
Okay.
It'll eat the stuff. So here I'm all fancy, nails all nasty, and I smell like DMSO. Anyway, traumatized.
Happy anniversary.
I was traumatized from press-ons. So when we decided to do press-ons,
you're like, no, we're not doing this.
These are so much different.
A little bit better.
Well, so much stronger. And when you put them on, like, just how naturally the curve is, like.
Let's see it. Let me hear.
You want to try it? You want to help me out?
See, but look at that. Like, it's so perfect.
Yeah.
And if you get those sized out right, sometimes you have to customize them just a little bit, maybe around the edges or whatever. But for the most part, they fit so good.
Yeah, like snug. Yeah. And the back. can we talk about the back of them a little bit? Let's see if we can show a color, just because it's going to show up a little bit better on the color, which we can open all these. We know where to buy them. This is what's huge for me when it comes to the press-ons, right? And this is all the press-ons. I mean, we're talking specifically about the winners, but they're not just round in the back, right? So when they're round, they're just round. You kind of get the gappage on the sides, and these are squoval. It's like really, they're kind of squoval,
tapered.
Right? Yeah,
they're tapered. Yeah.
So it fits so flush with that back end. Absolutely
love it.
Hashtag sponsored by Young Nails.
Wait, is that what we're doing?
Something like that. That's what we get paid to do. But I believe in them. But yeah, I mean, what else? And we got the different shapes. Obviously, we tend to go with this shape a lot because it is actually
it's trendy.
It's the most
really
popular
trendy,
one. But I love what you were saying too on like mix and match and combine it. I mean, you could literally, like, if you wanted to cut this off, you could get them. They're beautiful together. Like,
well, and what you were saying about polishing and things like that, adding your own designs to it. As soon as you pulled those out, the French, I was like, okay, I could take the gold ones, add the gold ones in. That would be cool, and then add a gold line right through that French.
Yeah.
It's like just those little customizations that you can do to take these. Take what we've got for you and make them your own. Customize them, make them your own.
And then I personally, I know we've talked about this, I personally pre-tab all my stuff. So like when I'm bored sitting on the couch with my second glass of wine, I put the tabs in. So when I'm ready, I literally had to go to a wedding. I mean, this is what these are good for. Last minute parties, last minute things. And if you pre-tab them on the inside and just stick them in, and then put them back, you're ready to rock. Like, you just
and that's the thing, like the sizing, and if you do need to customize and putting the tabs in, that's the stuff that takes the time.
Yeah.
The actual application is like literally seconds. Didn't you say 3 minutes or something that you?
I did it for the wedding. I had literally 3 minutes. Yeah. And here's the thing, I don't recommend this. I did not prep my nails. I had strengthener on, and they stayed on. I had to pull them off the next day. They're these tabs are insane. And then you also have the glue option, which is amazing too. So a lot of times when different companies, they give you have to buy a tab one, and if you want a glue one, you have to buy the glue one. We just combined. Just do what you want. Like here it is, and go for it.
The one thing that I do like to mention about that is the kits come with one alcohol wipe, but we do have the nail cleanser.
Oh yeah.
In the 2-ounce bottle?
The bottle,
2-ounce
yeah.
bottle? Yep. So if you're going to reuse them, I would definitely grab a bottle of that, because you only have the one wipe, and you'll always want to make sure. Start with a nice clean nail. Don't put it on your.
Don't do me.
Don't
do what I do.
On dirty nails.
Do what we say, not what we do. Well, that's that one, right? That I love the name of that one. But we have like this one. What is this one called? This one is Whispered Good Intentions. And that's another thing. I do actually wear these a lot, which is funny because I am a nail tech, but because we do videos so often, I don't get to put nails on anymore, really. So these are great for me when I need to go do something and I want some nails. But again, if you open the,
Okay, I don't know if you guys can actually see this on camera. It's like a marble underneath there. It's like,
look at this pinky to go with it. Like, it's almost foiled looking.
Okay, that one's my favorite. I changed my mind. That one's my favorite.
We created them, but we forget.
Well, I haven't seen all the ones from the inside.
I know. These are so, oh wow. Look at that. Yeah, and metals. You're keeping metals, foils, all that for this holiday season, fall, winter 2025. They're always popular. They really are always popular, but they're very, very hot right now.
But like these colors, I've been looking a lot at like the Pantone colors for fall and winter, and these colors, I mean, that is exactly what is on Pantone right now. So
these, stunning. Again, pick what you want. Mix, match, add. Okay, what's the next one? I'll let you open one.
Okay. Let's open this one because that was our the sad little one that didn't get any love. Let's give it some love. All right. So I'm gonna be honest. When I first saw these, I looked at them the wrong direction, and I thought it was a pumpkin. It's not a pumpkin.
Well, you could use it for Halloween into Christmas then, I guess.
It's not a pumpkin. It is a. Oh, no, it was this one that looked like a pumpkin.
Okay, then if we're being honest, when the first round I thought it looked like a pineapple, and then we had to redesign it. So, but how cute is that? Like a little ornament, and then you got the again, metals, mixed metals, silver, golds. You want to throw other glitter on there? Throw glitter on it. Like it is kind of perfect for the holiday.
And honestly, these have the little gemstones already on there, so you don't have to worry about sticking anything on. They're on there. They're not going anywhere.
Yeah, these are stuck puppies right there. So
yeah. But now that I am seeing these again, I'm like these and the glitter ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't do a lot of like actual design kind of stuff on my nails, so that's why those probably didn't jump out at me. But like all of these other ones, I mean,
very pretty.
Like even that one.
Yeah.
Like
and again, mix, match.
Yep.
Pull them in. Holiday's over. It's okay. You can still use most of these any other time. So, okay. That was we showed it love.
Wait. Leave some of those gold ones out here. I just want to see.
Ones? These ones?
Just the plain gold ones. I just want to
see silvers too.
All right, so this one is, what is this? 5-finger heist.
The names.
Maybe we should have opened these up ahead of time. All right, so this one, I'm assuming that these are just the same as what's in there, but yep, okay.
Just got a little sheen, a little chromage going on, kind of a
so again, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there's some that are a little bit darker, more of that berry, and then some that are, I'm gonna say more cranberry on these.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just a little more of
my gosh,
a little purplish tone through them. But look at it, like it definitely catches the eye.
So I was looking at them through the plastic.
Yeah.
There is a whole different sheen to them. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
the plastic takes it away for sure.
See, that would go perfect with what I have on right now too.
Yep.
Those mixed metals.
Absolutely gorgeous. So basic doesn't have to be boring, I guess is what we're getting to. You get a little sheen. Chrome is always hot, but you don't have to pull out the powder. You don't have to get it everywhere. You just put them on, glue them on, tab them on, do whatever. Okay, what's next? What's next? Oh, we got.
So these two were my favorites from the beginning. I still can't decide which is my favorite. I think just because I love them both for different reasons. I love the designs on here. The snowflakes are so cute. Everybody wants snowflakes around the holidays, around the winter time. I'm from Minnesota. We all want snowflakes on our nails. I don't know why. We have enough snow as it is.
Because you have snow everywhere. But you don't need them on your fingers.
Exactly. We don't need them on our nails. But they're so cute, and I hate drawing them on. Because I get the shakes. Too much coffee and I'm like all over the place.
You're talking to the wrong person when it comes to the shakes. It's a whole nother level.
No,
well, that makes it unique because they're not supposed to be the same.
Yeah, but
snowflakes are different.
Blob on the nail is not a snowflake. That's a snowball. That's a whole different.
Either way. Yeah, these.
But they're so cute.
Let's see what's in the packs though, because we're finding different things. But these are cutesy, right? We always have to have something kind of cutesy, a little over the top, a little cutesy. Oh, yeah.
You didn't tell me there were reindeer.
There is reindeer. I forgot. Literally forgot. I do not remember these things, but I love the turquoise. I love the pink, and
it's so
reindeers and glitter, and
I love it.
It's beautiful.
See, that's why I can't decide. Is this my favorite? I don't know.
I don't know. You're gonna have to decide once you pull the other one out.
They look kind of like those big, warm, fuzzy socks. That's what I get from this one here. And that's exactly what we need in the winter.
This is as close as to winter as I get because Southern California. So
yeah, I guess.
I love them, and beautiful shape. Like this is also very popular. You just got kind of more of a longer square. You know, not really too much tapered, just longer square.
As you were holding that, I was looking at it and looking from down the C curve, down the barrel of that, it actually looks like the thickness of an enhancement, like an acrylic.
Yeah.
It's like that is the perfect thickness. It's not flimsy, like I can't press in and bend it. It doesn't feel bendy or cheap but it is a little bit more flexible at that cuticle area.
Back. Yeah. So it just really, you can give, like to get that correct fit and that perfect fit around the cuticle, it kind of gives there. But I like that you bring this out because that's a huge difference between back when Tracey was 19 was using them, like the thickness and the curve.
Yeah.
Like you just didn't get that look. It does. I wear press-ons a lot anymore, and I get compliments all the time. People just assume that they're sculpted. Yeah. So, love it. Okay.
All right, last but not least.
Let's decide if these are your favorite or these.
See, now I don't know. Those may have been my favorite. Okay.
White elephant. This is white elephant. We're not doing our job. This one was called White Elephant.
Okay.
And we're dropping things now.
All right, then. Last but not least is re-gifted opinions. Where do these names come from?
Not from me. I cannot. I'm not that smart. It'd be sweater nails. That's what you'd get.
I'm gonna be honest. Anytime I ever heard like new polish color names and things like that, and names here, I always assumed that everybody on the whole team just went out to the bar, got hammered, and whatever they came up with, that's what they named the.
From my understanding, that is how they used to do it.
Okay.
Now we do not.
Probably
do that.
not so much now.
At least we don't tell people.
Anyways, so regifted opinions.
I love the name.
All right. So does
Just
this
what
one
we
have,
don't need is regifted opinions.
Does this one have other?
I think
It does. Oh, it does.
Yeah, it has a little.
Okay.
And these are little textured 3D style, which I love because we kind of went the route of like just the painted look, and it just looked kind of flat. And so we got this little texture going on that gives it that more of that sweatered, detailed look. Beautiful.
And I'm gonna be honest, I have such a love-hate relationship with the sweater nail. I love the design. I think it's so pretty. It's so cute. It's so trendy and perfect for, those chilly sweater weather months.
Sweater weather.
Sweater weather.
Sweater weather.
But I hate actually doing it. They are.
Yeah.
But
It's just like
these are.
just to ask your client, how much do I have to charge you so you don't want them?
I'll pay for your nails today if we do something.
Please don't make me do it. But they're so beautiful.
My clients, I love you. I will do your sweater nails if you really want them. But
It's gonna cost you though. These are gorgeous, and they're just like the perfect little length too.
Yeah.
Like it gives you a little. If you're not used to wearing nails, this gives you a little something without like feeling like you're wearing daggers. I think.
I do. I love this shape. I think that's especially for those little shorties. Obviously, I have my longer nails on, but just those little shorties. And I think sometimes when you go with this shape, it like cuts off into your sidewalls.
Yes.
But these actually have that longer nail bed area, so it's not going to cut off.
Pro tip though, guys, if you have a longer nail like this and you're trying to do something like this, a lot of times you're gonna see your nail underneath. We always recommend shorten your nails.
Show them your nail.
Yep.
If you take the nail and taper that a little bit more on the side like that, that's
Bring it
going to
in.
help to
Cover it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't mind it, it's okay. But if you're like, it bothers you, just shorten the nail too. So, but this is kind of an unexpected color combo too, I think. It's
like,
different.
It's still like the red and green Christmassy, but as you would call it, dirty.
Dirty. It's dirty. And that's what we like. We like it a little dirty, a little more fashion.
Yeah.
Versus hello Christmas. Love it. Anyway, we made a mess. And
We made a mess, but I love it. I
we
almost just want
did
to
name those, right?
shove them all together and just Happy New Year it.
And then leave. Just leave. Guys, I hope you love them because we do, and they're going to be available for Black Friday, and I have no idea what the deal is on them.
All right, so the deal is if you buy any one of these, you get the free cuticle oil, right?
That's a good deal.
That is a good deal.
And not saying that because we came up with it, but because can we talk about the oil just a little bit too, and why it's such a good deal? And the value is insane. I think
Can I use it while we're
yes,
talking
please
about
do.
it? I'm desperate.
Because it's about a $15 value, and what that thing is a 15 ml, and a lot of the ones that you get nowadays,
They're just so skinny. It's like it's deceiving.
like 4 mil.
Yeah, it's
and I
deceiving.
love this versus the brush on because you can drop it and get
And this
So
one,
good deal.
especially like around the holidays, you're going to the parties, you're going traveling, you're going to see the family that you may not want to go see. Toss it in your purse, toss it in your travel bag, and
Toss
super
a bottle
easy.
of wine, toss
that.
that.
too.
And you're gonna cleanse your
in your
nails,
press-ons
you know,
nails.
so you get a little dryness around. So after you put them on, go around carefully and put some oil on.
But it soaks right in. That's what I love about
Yeah,
it.
it's
It
good
just
stuff.
it feels
Doesn't
so
sit
soft.
heavy
Exactly.
and get all greasy.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
love it.
So usually what I do, just like what I'm doing, just kind of massage that in around each cuticle, and then I just give the rest of my skin a little love.
Do it whenever you think about it, anytime, especially before bed. That's it. That's the deal. Buy
that
one of
it?
these, get one of those, and I hope you guys love the designs as much as we do. Put below which one's your favorite, and
We'll see which one wins.
yes, Watch, it'll be the one that we pick last.
And you know what? If it does, great. Everybody's got their own opinions. Everybody's got their own style. So choose what you love and feel right about it.
Happy shopping.
Happy holidays.